Are you looking for the best VR headsets? In this video we will look at some of the best VR headsets. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Meta Quest 3. The Meta Quest 3 is $200 more than the Quest 2, but it adds color pass-through cameras that make augmented reality experiences feasible, along with a higher resolution and a faster processor, a processor that packs more power than even the Quest Pro. In fact, the only thing the Pro has over this headset is its awesome eye tracking technology. Want to experience VR without cables? This is the standalone headset for you. The Quest 3 is wireless, powerful, sharp, and you can see through it in color. The Quest 2 is a good starting point if you're looking to spend less, but the Quest 3 is enough of a step forward that it's worth the extra cash. 2064 by 2208 per eye. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Motion detection 60 OF. Controls. MetaQuest touch controllers. Hardware platform. Stand alone. Dive into extraordinary experiences with a mixed reality headset that transforms your home into an exciting new playground, where virtual elements blend into your actual surroundings. It's the most powerful Quest yet *, featuring next-level performance with more than double the graphic processing power of Quest 2. * based on the graphic performance of the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 versus Meta Quest 2. Experience more immersion with dazzling visuals with the 4K Plus Infinite display, a nearly 30% leap in resolution from Quest 2, and rich 3D audio with enhanced sound clarity, bass performance, and a 40% louder volume range than Quest 2. Number 2. Meta Quest Pro. The Meta Quest Pro is an impressive headset that features cool eye tracking and face tracking tech. It costs significantly more than the Quest 2 and Quest 3, however, so you really need to be sold on the eye tracking before you buy in. The Meta Quest Pro is for professionals who need a capable VR headset for collaboration purposes, and for enthusiasts who want to play with the excellent eye tracking and face tracking tech. 1920 by 1800 per eye. Refresh rate 90 Hz. Motion detection 60 OF. Controls. Motion controllers. Hardware platform. Stand alone. Meta Quest Pro unlocks new perspectives in work, creativity, and collaboration. Multitask with ease with multiple resizable screens so you can organize tasks, work on new ideas, or message with your friends. Number 3. Meta Quest 2. The Quest 2, formerly the Oculus Quest 2, is Meta's $300 standalone VR headset. It's affordable for a VR platform, and you don't need cables or additional hardware. It's powered by mobile components, specifically the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset, and that's enough to run entertaining VR experiences. It has an incredibly robust library of those experiences, so you'll find something entertaining. You can also use it as a PC-powered headset with the $79 link cable. This is a top VR headset, but its follow-up, the Meta Quest 3, is more compelling in every way, including a faster processor, a higher resolution display, and color pass-through cameras. The Quest 3 also costs $200 more, which means the Quest 2 is the best budget-friendly VR headset you can buy. If you want to explore VR without spending a lot of money, this is a terrific starting point. 1832 by 1920 per eye. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Motion detection 60 OF. Controls. Oculus Touch. Hardware platform. Stand alone. Number 4. Sony PlayStation VR2. The PlayStation VR2 is a significant upgrade over the original that combines the PlayStation 5's power with new eye tracking and motion control tech that makes VR games even more immersive. Plus, the lightweight headset has impressive specs, including a sharp OLED display that delivers a 2000 by 2040 pixel picture to each eye. The PSVR2 is for gamers willing to go all in on Sony's next-generation vision of virtual reality. After all, the headset's not inexpensive at nearly $600 and it lacks backward compatibility with original PlayStation VR games, which is why that model is still on this list. However, this comfortable and impressive hardware has a strong launch library that includes Horizon, Call of the Mountain, and the Jurassic World Aftermath collection. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Motion detection 60 OF. Controls PlayStation VR2 Sense. Hardware platform PlayStation 5. PlayStation VR2 Sense technology, eye tracking. Headset feedback. 3D audio. Highly intuitive controls, haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and finger touch detection. Number 5. Valve Index VR Kit. Valve's PC-tethered VR headset is pricey, and on paper it doesn't stand out much from the competition. The headset is just one part of the VR experience, though, and the Valve Index really impresses because of the other major component, the controllers. They're revolutionary, able to rack individual finger movements and make games that take advantage of the feature, much more immersive than the standard trigger grips on other controllers. It's amazing to see your fingers wiggle in Half-Life, Alyx. The headset itself, while not outstanding, still offers crisp, smooth graphics with a high refresh rate, too. The system integrates with Valve's Steam store through Steam VR, so there's an incredibly large library of VR games, even if only a tiny fraction might bother with the finger support. This is the go-to VR headset for use with PCs, thanks to its strong performance and revolutionary controllers. If you're just starting with VR on PC, go with this one. If you already have a Steam VR-compatible headset, though, such as the HTC Vive, the Vive Cosmos Elite, not the regular Cosmos, or the Vive Pro 2 along with their base stations, you can buy the controllers for $280 to breathe new life into your VR experience without investing in the full Valve Index system. 1600 by 1440 per eye. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Motion detection 60 OF. Controls Valve Index controllers. Hardware platform PC.